Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math, where we are going to study Chapter 4 Quadratic Equations, Exercise 4.3, Question 1. In that third part, we are going to see. We have to find the roots of the following equations by completing the square method. So when we did part 1, in this sum, part 1 when we did, that time I explained to you in detail. Now we'll do part 3. So this method is very easy. All that you have to remember is the steps that you have to remember, which I explained to you in part 1 in detail. So first what we will do, first we have to remove this coefficient of the x square, we have to remove. For that we'll divide both the side by 4. Okay, that is the first step we have to do, dividing both side by 4. So that means 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So divide all with the 4. So gets cancelled. So then write down remaining as it is. This 4 also gets cancelled. So you will have root 3 and x. Then 3 upon 4. This also becomes 0. So this is your first step to remove the coefficient of x square. Now second step, what you have to do? Keep the x part as it is. Okay. Then this you bring it to this side. Becomes minus. Okay. So now what we will do? Whatever the coefficient of x, that you will multiply with half. Okay. So that means this root 3 you have to multiply with a half. So then what you will get? You will get x square plus root 3 upon 2. Okay. So this is what you will get. Now what you will do? This whole thing, the square of it, once you will add and once you will subtract. This step is very important, this second step. Don't make mistake here. Once we will add, and this x remains here, okay? One second. This will, one second, I'll do it once again. What you have to do is, this you keep as it is. Okay, this part you will keep it as it is. So now, whatever you got here, that you will, once you will add and once you will subtract. Once you will add, then once you will subtract. Okay. Now this remaining as it is. Okay. So this is the part you have to little take care. The first part, x part, you will keep as it is. Then the coefficient of x, you will multiply with a half, and the square of it, once you will add, once you will subtract. So second part is very critical part. Here you have to remember the step properly. Then now third part, what you will do? All these three terms, it's in the form of expansion form of a plus b whole square. So what you have to do? First write the first term, everything is plus plus, and the last term, this is your b square. So this whole square. Okay, this you have to remember. Then equal sign, this you will write down. This, when it comes this side, becomes plus. Okay, that's it. This much you have to take care. Now only you have to simplify. This will write as it is. Now this is square, so root 3 square, and then 2 here, 2 square. So 2 square will be 4. Now square goes means root will go, so you'll get 3 upon 4. So now this is in minus, this is in plus, gets cancelled, so you'll have 0 here. So now when the square you bring it here, it will become root plus minus, whether plus or minus doesn't make any difference. So we will get 0. Okay, so now let's bring this side. So that means x equal to this comes this side means minus. Okay, so now already we got the x value, but then this is not 1. Actually we have to find the root. So quadratic equation has the maximum 2 roots. So therefore hence this is, that means both the roots are same answer. That is the meaning of it. So whenever you get like this 0 and x only one value when you get, you have to repeat it twice. That means 2 roots are same. Hence the roots are minus root 3 upon 2 and minus root 3 upon 2. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.